In one of my previous videos on YouTube, I showed you how to uninstall a dashboard from a Vanderhall Carmel. Today, following the reverse procedure of uninstalling, you will see the beauty of a classic mahogany wood dashboard installed. These classic dashboards are available on Amazon for you to purchase. They are made in the USA by Gizmo Bodyworks. More details about upgrading your Vanderhall dashboard is at the end of this video. The stock dashboard is a fine dashboard, but severely boring, unsophisticated, and does not buzz the Vanderhall to an extreme level of luxury. You now have a choice to elevate luxury and style, and it's obvious which one is right for you. Now let's get started. Have all your tools and components ready and install them in the reverse order to the removal. As you can see the gauges on the floorboard, I did label every one and their corresponding wires in the dash to make it straightforward to reinstall. The job is done. Now it's time to reward oneself with a fine, stylish ride. You have a couple of choices for who to install your Gizmo Bodyworks Vanderhall replacement dashboard. You can do it maybe with some help with a friend or family member, or contact any Vanderhall dealer. If you live in Florida like me, my recommendation for installation is Power Sports of Palm Beach. You buy the dashboard on Amazon and bring it into the shop, and one of their techs will install the magic.
Man, that was what wood grain is that?
That's a handmade mahogany dash for the Carmel.
Wow, I like that. I like the plate around the shifter. Man, that looks wonderful. Definitely nice upscale feel for it. Perfect for the Vanderhall.